Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
Welcome to Magic Bricks, now India's first property channel. This is the Urban Debate. I'm Faye D'Souza. Let's take a look at what's making headlines today.
पीएम को या और सीएम को कुछ ना कुछ इस पे एक्शन लेना चाहिए, इस डंप को बंद कराना चाहिए और कोई ना कोई स्ट्रेटजी निकालनी चाहिए.
In Mumbai, Deonar finally gets Rahul Gandhi's attention. The Congress Vice President visits the landfill, slams the BJP, but he remains silent on the inaction of the previous Congress government in the state. News from the National Capital Region, sub-25 lakh rupee homes in Gurgaon or newly named Gurugram. Yes, construction of these homes are already underway. As we speak, Magic Bricks now gets you exclusive details of where these homes are being built. Work on the Navi Mumbai International Airport will begin soon as December this year. Magic Bricks now brings you exclusive details of who's in the fray to build that new airport. Well, staying with our continued focus on dumpyard fires and air pollution in the city, Congress President Rahul Gandhi visited the Deonar dumping ground in Mumbai. On Tuesday, the Congress leader met with the Deonar residents and held a meeting regarding the public health crisis posed by the landfill. Rahul Gandhi blamed the BJP Sena government for the mess. Listen in.
ये प्रधानमंत्री जी स्वच्छ भारत की बात करते हैं. उनकी सरकार यहाँ है, बीजेपी की सरकार है, शिवसेना की सरकार है, कॉर्पोरेशन है उनका. इससे लोगों का नुकसान हो रहा है, पोल्यूशन है, बच्चों को टीबी हो रहा है, एक बच्चा मरा भी है. तो पीएम को या और सीएम को कुछ ना कुछ इस पे एक्शन लेना चाहिए, इस डंप को बंद कराना चाहिए और कोई ना कोई स्ट्रेटजी निकालनी चाहिए. सिर्फ स्वच्छ भारत बोलना और स्वच्छ भारत करना दो अलग बातें हैं. दुख की बात यहां है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ कोई स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है, कोई विजन नहीं है कि इसको हम कैसे साफ करें. नारा जरूर दे दिया है स्वच्छ भारत का, अब प्रधानमंत्री के ऊपर है और सरकार के ऊपर है कि अब इसको ये साफ करें.
Well, of course, turning that into a political battle, the Congress Vice President did not comment on what the Congress government had been doing up till now when that dump yard was being used this entire time. Meanwhile, the problem for the city of Mumbai only gets worse. Remember, Mumbai has a second landfill at Mulund. When Deonar's fires broke out, garbage was moved to Mulund. Fires have now broken out in Mulund. This started on Sunday. A thick cloud of smoke is still hovering above that dump yard. The footage that you're looking at right now on your screen is of this morning. The government has not found a solution for Deonar and certainly doesn't have the situation in Mulund under control either. My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal has been at the site repeatedly every day tracking progress. She was in Mulund this morning. She sent us this report.
Mumbaikars are still struggling for clean air to breathe. Behind me is Mulund's dumping ground. This dumping ground caught fire close to 48 hours ago. And still, we can see a very thick cloud of smoke coming out of this dumping ground. Now, from the looks of it, it looks as if Mulund is on its way to become another Deonar. After a lot of pestering, after a lot of protests by various citizen groups, finally actions have been taken in Deonar dumping ground. Preventive measures have been taken. Even Rahul Gandhi visited this dumping ground to put pressure on all the civic authorities to take preventive measures. But it looks like authorities will have to widen their scope. It's not possible for them to only concentrate on Deonar. Mulund is another dumping ground where a lot of garbage that is generated in the city has now started to come. Even the garbage that used to go to Deonar has now started to come to Mulund. And the fire that took place here, even though it has been doused by now, this smoke is still visible after 48 hours. What this smoke does is that it's toxic in nature and it makes people who live very close by to this area, it makes breathing for them very difficult. So it looks like preventive measures need to be taken in not just Deonar but also all the other dumping grounds that are situated in this city.
Now remember, this is a problem that's personal to all of us. It is not just those people who live in Mulund. That smoke will bellow across the entire city. And I want to bring this up and I want to make it personal to you because you can protect your family and your children from everything. You cannot protect them from poisonous air, and that's the poisonous air that we're breathing in the city of Mumbai right now. Despite repeated assurances from the Chief Minister Fadnavis, Mumbai's garbage crisis has seen no end. We've seen no concrete roadmap from the government, no concrete plans. It is not clear right now that our lessons have been learnt. Those people who live in Mulund are going to have to battle that air until a solution has been found. Who is taking responsibility for the dump yard fires? Promises are being made, but we're not seeing any action on the ground. On the Urban Debate, we are going to relentlessly campaign against this crisis until we get some sort of reaction from the government. We will offer you solutions, and we will hope that the government takes those solutions. In fact, we started a Twitter poll for citizens of Mumbai to ask what they think is the possible solution to the garbage crisis. Is it a new dump yard outside of the city? Is it scientific methods like waste-to-energy plants? Or is it segregation of waste at home by citizens? If you want to join that poll, of course, just tweet out at MagicBricksNow, #Mumbai Choking, and vote at this point. And we'll tell you what the results are at the end of the day. We'll offer those poll suggestions to the government as possible solutions that they should be looking at. Remember, these are citizens who are saying they will segregate their own waste in order to make the air in this city cleaner. Citizens are willing to do their part. On the show with me tonight, Sardar Thara Singh, BJP MLA, Mulund, also leader BJP, Charan Singh Sapra, spokesperson for the Congress, Rishi Agarwal, environmentalist who's battling this problem for over a decade, Sandeep Ahuja, CEO, Richa Realtors, who's building homes in the neighborhood of Mulund. Sardar Singh, tell us this. What is the BJP government doing? And right now in Mulund, the neighborhood that you represent, what can you say to the citizens at this point who are worried about the air that they're breathing? Okay, we seem to have lost them. Charan Singh Sapra, I want to ask you the same question. Of course, we saw the Congress Vice President visit Deonar today and blame the government for inaction. But there's some blame to be taken here by the Congress government as well, because this state was run by the Congress government for a very long time.
See, one thing I would like to make it clear that this dumping ground is basically a Mumbai municipal.
All right, we seem to have lost both the representatives of the political parties right now.
Find out ways that how this garbage is to be treated. Hello?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Are you there with me?
Yes, we are. Go ahead. All right, we seem to be having some issues there with those lines, but I will bring in Rishi Agarwal. Rishi, we've had this conversation several times in the past. The fact that the government has done nothing so far other than make some weak promises about perhaps looking at the problem and finding solutions. You've been talking to the government yourself. Has anything been done on Deonar, first of all? And using Mulund right now as a dump yard is not a solution, is it?
No, absolutely not. Now, the thing is that it's 75 days now since the Deonar fire broke out, and I think by now we should have gone on a war footing to take preventive steps and do the firefighting and a multi-pronged approach. I wouldn't say that nobody in the government is cognizant. I've been having some great conversations with government officials, but the overall direction just does not seem to inspire confidence at all. So that's the unfortunate situation, and now we are seeing that even Mulund is up in fire, so which means that clearly there is something wrong. I mean, there cannot be any smoke without a fire, like they say. And so clearly there is something going wrong, and the approach is quite flawed, I would say.
The approach is flawed in the very, very least of, Sandeep Ahuja, I want to ask you this. You're attempting right now to sell apartments in the neighborhood of Mulund. What are your buyers and what are your customers saying to you?
I think buyers are quite worried about what is happening there. It's very difficult to find right houses and good quality housing in Bombay in any case. And now, if in case you add these problems in the city, they are quite worried. And whenever we are approaching any of the customers, we are facing these problems on a regular basis. Apart from that, there are a lot of people who are staying in the complex which we are constructing right now, and they have no choice but to.
And these are slum rehabilitation complexes,
these are
right?
these are mid segment housing, which they have been staying there for a very long time, and they have been hoping that this dumping will stop or something will happen to this for a very long time. Nothing
Salim, how long have we been promised that the dump yard in Mulund will be moved? You were promised. You were made that promise some time ago, weren't you?
We have been going to the government for a very long time, for around 6 years ourselves. Forget about us. I mean, the government has been telling us that this will be shut a very short time. That's one thing. But the government has given affidavits to the High Court of Maharashtra or Bombay. So I think even then this is not happening. So we do not know where to go now and who to really ask for it.
सरदार थारा सिंह, if you can hear me, आप बताइए मुलुंड की जो रेजिडेंट्स है अभी, जो आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट की रेजिडेंस है, आप क्या बताएंगे उनको, अभी क्या सफाई देंगे?
जिस तरह से 3 महीने बरसात का मौसम आता है, फिर 3 महीने सर्दी का मौसम आता है, उस तरीके से पिछले 2-3 महीने से डंपिंग रोडों के ऊपर आग लगने का मौसम चालू हुआ है। आप चाहे हरिओम नगर लो, कांजूर लो या चंबूर का एरिया लो, हर जगह पे आग लगती है और आग लगने से बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे लोगों के ऊपर असर हो रहा है। पहले तो मैं ही हूँ जिसकी वजह से मैं 17 दिन लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में लेके आया। उसका कारण ये है कि हर जगह पे धुआं आता है और धुएं से लोग बीमार थे। आज भी हरिओम नगर में आग लगी और मुझे सुबह से फ़ोन आते रहे कल कि आग लगी है। समझ नहीं आता है कि इतने बड़ा काम होने के बावजूद भी मुंबई महानगर पालिका इसके ऊपर कोई प्रबंध कर नहीं सकती है। सम्मानीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने विश्वास दिलाया कि 1 महीने के अंदर
सीनियर लीडर है, आप तो सीनियर लीडर है बीजेपी, आप कुछ कहते क्यों नहीं उनको? और ये मत बताइए कि ये सीजनल फायर है, सीजनल फायर नहीं है, ये फायर तो इररिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का फायर है, तो कोई एक्शन लिया नहीं गया ग्राउंड पे। ऋषि,
आप तो बीजेपी में सीनियर लीडर हैं तारा सिंह जी, और मतलब आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि आप थोड़ा और,
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जिस तरह 3 महीने में
नहीं सर, ये सीजनल फायर नहीं है, ये फायर तो लगाई जा रही है और इसमें एक जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का फेलियर है वो एक क्लियर मुद्दा है। अभी पिछले 75 दिन से
सापरा जी आप सुन रहे हैं कि अभी बीजेपी बोल रही है कि ये सीजनल फायर है, ये हर साल लगती है, इसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते।
मैं बिल्कुल सुन रहा हूँ कि मुंबई महानगर
Mr. Tara Singh is trying to misguide.
तीसरे दिन आग लगती है तो कॉर्पोरेशन क्या करता है?
Can I speak on this?
Mr. Sapra, go ahead.
See, Mr. Tara Singh is trying to misguide the people of the country with this issue. Actually, Mr. Tara Singh should realize the gravity of this situation because he himself was a municipal councillor. नहीं, तारा सिंह जी, प्लीज लेट मी स्पीक। आप जब बोल रहे थे तब मैं नहीं बोल रहा था, मुझे 1 मिनट 2 मिनट बोलने दीजिए, फिर आपकी बारी आएगी। आप
मेरी बात
चिंतित मत होइए, आप इनटॉलरेंट मत होइए ना, शांत रहिए। मैं बता रहा हूं ना, आप सत्ताधारी, आपको थोड़ा शांत रहना है।
नहीं, मैं नहीं हो रहा हूं।
हाँ, ऐसा है कि मिस्टर तारा सिंह, he himself was a municipal councillor earlier. He should understand the gravity of the situation which has come today. He has been a MLA since 1999. The BMC is being ruled by Shiv Sena BJP since 20 years. It took 20 years for BJP Shiv Sena to bring this situation. They could not plan anything. They did not bring any technology from this garbage to be treated and made some energy or something. But these people have totally failed. They have not done anything. They have just dumped the garbage over here. There is no security at the ground. There is no compound wall at the ground. There is no control on the rag pickers. There is a very big corruption in this, and the Congress government earlier had also instituted an inquiry on this. The action taken report is pending. Why the BMC commissioner is holding the action taken report? So these are the questions which the BJP Shiv Sena government has to answer. People in Mulund, people living in Hariom Nagar, they have been protesting time and again. They have gone to the court also. They have also in 2014, I remember, they had given a public notice saying that the people of Hariom Nagar will not vote for any party. They wanted to go for Nota option. Thereafter, Mr. Kirit Somaiya, he went and told the people, ki, no, you please vote for us. We will see that something is to be done. Now, same promise was given in 2009 also, but nothing is happening. So ultimately, the BJP Shiv Sena has to take the blame for not doing anything for these dumping grounds.
Sardar Tara
no
Singh.
planning, no security, no CCTV cameras, and absolutely corruption in this. There is corruption of crores
Sardar
of
Tara
rupees.
Singh ji, आप
They are
जवाब दे
sending
दीजिए,
50
जवाब
vehicles
दीजिए.
per
Why
day.
has
The
the state
contractors are
government
sending.
not
They are
done
making a
anything?
note of 100 vehicles.
Why has the state government not done anything? State government का कोई reaction नहीं आया अभी तक. The capital city of this state is suffering. The citizens are suffering. Citizens of your constituents in Mulund are suffering. What is the answer that the state government is giving us right now?
ये मेरा दोस्त जो बोल रहा था ठीक बोल रहा, मैं नाराज नहीं हूँ क्योंकि पिछले 15 साल से, मैं 20 साल से एमएलए हूँ और पिछले 15 साल से हरिओम नगर से डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद हो इसका मैं प्रयास करता रहा. कई बार मैंने मोर्चे दिए, कई बार रास्ते बंद किए, परंतु मुंबई महानगर पालिका
ये तो प्रयास सभी करते रहे, हम भी करते रहे.
बोलता हूँ अब चूंकि मैं कहा ना बोलता हूँ, आप सब करते रहे, वहां के लोग भी करते रहे, पर ये मुंबई की कॉर्पोरेशन इसके ऊपर
तो आपको अगर महानगर पालिका फेल हुई है तो आपको जवाबदारी लेनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू टेक द ब्लेम.
सरदार तारा सिंह जी, महानगर पालिका इज बीइंग रन बाय द बीजेपी. आप ही की पार्टी चलाती है महानगर पालिका, बीएमसी बीजेपी चलाती है ना महानगर पालिका. तो व्हाई इज देयर नो रिस्पांस?
जहां बीएमसी का काम है, मैं मानता हूं बीजेपी चलाती है, शिवसेना चलाती है, पर मैं ये बात बोलना चाहता हूं कि बीएमसी ने पिछले 10-15 साल से हरिओम नगर में जो आग लगती है उसका ध्यान नहीं दिया. आज वहां पे पहाड़ बन गया, हिमालय पर्वत की तरह इतना कचरे के ढेर लगे पड़े हैं. मैं तो वहां जाके देख के आता हूं. मुद्दा यहाँ पर स्पष्ट है कि मुंबई की कॉर्पोरेशन फेल है और उसने इसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया. अब चूंकि मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इस तरफ ध्यान दिया है.
एक बात बताइए तारा सिंह जी, अगर आप ही बोल रहे हैं कि सरकार फेल हुई है, आप ही बोल रहे हैं कि सरकार, आप मान रहे हो कि सरकार फेल हो चुकी है, तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे? सिटीजन्स कहाँ जाएंगे? किसके पास जाएंगे? अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे, आप एमएलए हो, मुलुंड के एमएलए हो, आप बोल रहे हैं कि पिछले 20 साल से आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे, आप ही के सरकार फेलियर है, तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे?
पार्लियामेंट बीजेपी का है.
Sir, while we will not get into the BJP versus Congress debate on this because that sidelines the main issue. The issue is, at least I'm not qualified to comment on that. The only thing is that this is not a problem which has only happened in the last 5 years or 10 years. This problem has been there in the city for last 25, 30 odd years, and I think all of us know about it. Several governments have come, several chief ministers have come, several municipal corporations have come, but no one has really done anything about it. And every time we all see the morchas and everything else. And the saddest part is that we are today hearing that our government cannot do anything, and where do we go then?
The municipal corporation has plans in place, but if you're not going to execute it, then what is the...
कि आप एमएलए हो मुलुंड का, आप ही की गवर्नमेंट पार्लियामेंट में, आप ही की गवर्नमेंट स्टेट चलाती है, आपकी गवर्नमेंट अभी तो बीएमसी भी चलाती है, और आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो सिटीजन क्या करेंगे? हम लोग क्या करेंगे फिर?
मैडम जी, आप मेरी बात सुनने का प्रयास आप करते नहीं है. मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि यहाँ पे 10,000 टन कचरा रोज आता था. 10,000 टन कचरे को काटते काटते अभी 3,000 टन तक आया है. हमने ये प्रयास किया है कि यहाँ बंद हो जाए. अभी आपने देखा कि कोर्ट ने आर्डर दिया है कि 1 बरस तक और करता रहे.
This is a wrong information.
मुंबई की कॉर्पोरेशन
Mr. Rishi Agarwal is sitting over here.
No, absolutely.
He can tell how much ton garbage was coming over here.
Rishi Agarwal, what is the tonnage that's been dumped?
10,000 tons is the figure which is for the whole of Mumbai. It is
Right.
not for Mulund dumping ground at all. Mulund dumping ground is barely 2,000 tons, I think.
It's the total whole of
Yeah,
Mumbai.
whole of Mumbai is 10,000. Even that figure, even the 10,000 ton for whole of Mumbai is being refuted.
Grossly misguiding. He's
Yeah.
grossly
Charan Singh
misguiding.
Sabra, what is the
it's
Congress
not
party doing? Tell
It's
me what the-
unfortunate that our elected representative should not be aware of
Charan
some
Singh,
basic
Charan Singh
data.
Sapra, tell me what the Congress party is doing right now. Rahul Gandhi went to Deonar today and to set the government, accuse
See,
the government
let
of
me-
inaction. Where are the solutions that the Congress party is bringing? Why can't we be more proactive? Why can't we offer actual solutions? Let's be honest about the fact that this is not a problem that came up in the last 3 or 4 years. This is a problem that
See,
has
of course,
taken
Congress-
years to pile up. Where are the solutions from the Congress party? As the opposition, what are you offering?
Yeah, I agree. I agree with what you're saying. This problem is not a few years. This problem has come since 20-25 years. Now the issue is that the very basic thing that the sewerage solid waste management program, this was made in 1990, but nobody implemented it. The BMC was never serious in implementing it. Mr. Karun Srivastav, which Mr. Rishi Agarwal only told me the other day, Mr. Karun Srivastav, the municipal commissioner, he had issued an advertisement in the newspaper that anybody who doesn't follow this, action will be taken. Why the BMC commissioner never took action on those rules which they only formulated?
Absolutely.
The
No,
segregation.
tell me
I mean,
this,
why
Mr.
it is
Sapra,
not
tell
being
me this.
segregated?
The BMC eventually also responds to the chief minister. 1990 was being rolled, the chief minister was from the Congress party. So at the end of the day, the municipal commissioner still answers to the chief minister.
I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. Now the municipal commissioners, they have not followed the rules which they only framed. There is no segregation at the starting point. And now if people have started segregation, the BMC truck comes and they only mix the wet and the dry waste in the garbage truck which is coming to
Sapra,
our
that is
buildings.
also old
They only
thing.
mix it and everything
Go
is
ahead,
mixed.
Rishi,
There is
Rishi,
no
go ahead.
separate planning for debris.
Mr.
There is no
Sapra,
separate.
that is also old thing. Now
Yeah.
the need of the hour really is, I mean, what is happening is the citizens and activists are getting completely caught in this political crossfire. This being election year.
Let me be honest.
And
let me be
really,
honest
let's
here.
start working
Rishi,
towards.
let me be honest. Speaking as a citizen, and I live
I
in
don't
the
want to make
neighborhood
it
of
political.
Deonar. I am a citizen of Mumbai. I
I'm
don't
not making
care,
it
Mr.
political.
Sapra. I don't care. I don't care whether it was the Congress or the BJP. I just want clean air
Because
for my family and for my children. So here we have a case where Sardar Dara Singh is telling us that the
True.
BMC is a failure.
That's what
when
we are
know
saying
that
today.
currently the BMC responds and it finally
No,
reports
Mr.
to the
Sa-
chief
Mr.
minister.
Sapra, what-
You are telling me that the BMC was a failure when your government was in power. Where is the citizen to go? Who is accountable for what is happening in our city right now?
See, time and again, the governments have been telling BMC to bring in a plan. The BMC has been bringing a plan only on paper. That's what I'm trying to say. If in 1990 the solid waste management plant has come, the BMC has failed to implement it.
So you're saying the
government
BMC
has
is a
asked
failure?
the BMC to bring in a biomethanization plant in Mulund. The BMC has failed in Mulund. There was a biomethanization plant.
15 साल कांग्रेस बैठी थी, क्यों नहीं उसने ध्यान दिया?
अरे वो 15 साल छोड़ दीजिए, आप ये कांग्रेस बीजेपी
having
का
the same
झगड़ा
arguments
मुझसे
again and again and
आप
again,
जनता
we are not
को
going to
सोचिए,
make any
जिस जनता
headway.
ने आपको वोट दिया है, मैं कांग्रेस बीजेपी की बात नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
अरे 15 साल आप बैठे, क्या किया आपकी कांग्रेस ने? उस वक्त ध्यान नहीं आया. अब हमारा टाइम है, हम करके बताएंगे. आप तो सिर्फ बातें करते हैं.
Just Sapra ji and
They brought in a
Sardar
plant.
Dara
They
Singh ji,
brought in
ek
a
minute
plant at
rukiye.
United Phosphorus.
Just give me one second. Give me 1 second on this show. I want to put the most important person of this conversation on this show, and that is the citizen. Charan Singh Sapra, we have citizens who are calling right now to speak to both of you. I want to listen to what they have to say. Vandana is on the phone line. Vandana, go ahead. Vandana, go ahead.
To be resolved somewhere.
Hello.
Yes, Vandana, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Vandana Trivedi. I am a citizen. I am an affected citizen. I am a mom of 2 children. I have been battling this issue for the longest time now. Correction, this is not a 75 days issue. This has been going on for the last so many years. Correction, last year in February, I have gone and complained to the Chief Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. This has not hit them new. They are very much aware of the dangers that we are facing. We do not care who it is or who is blaming who in this political slugfest. Just give us one answer. How are you going to deal with the solid waste crisis that the city is going through? And it is a crisis. Today you are discussing Mulund. In 3 days' time, you will probably start discussing Devnar again. This is not seasonal fire. I can give you an entire dossier on the regular fires that keep happening here, either willful or otherwise. Only one request I have of each of you honorable people out there. You have children. You will have generations after you. Please read up things like methane, dioxins, furans, benzene. All of them are proven carcinogens in mouses, in rats. That is chooho mein, their male species are found to be impacted due to the impact of these toxic gases over future generations. How will you protect your own family, sirs? First question to you. Second question to all of the people who very strongly refute shutting these dumps. These dumps are well beyond their life. The BMC website talks about it under its key project solid waste tab. Please go and check that out.
Right.
These dumps are beyond their life. What are you doing about it?
Okay, fair question there that the air in the city of Mumbai is basically right now poison. It is poison. Neha from Mumbai is also calling with to join the conversation. Neha, go ahead. What would you like to say? Right, we'll try and get Neha back. Sardar Tara Singh ji, very clear question there coming from a citizen to you. What is the plan that the government has right now? We know that the Chief Minister, Mr. Fadnavis, has given repeated assurances to the citizens of Deonar, to the citizens of the city, saying this problem will be solved, this problem will be solved. अभी तक कोई प्लान नहीं निकला गवर्नमेंट से. बार बार assurances दिए गए मिस्टर सिंह, लेकिन बीजेपी की स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कोई प्लान नहीं निकला अभी तक. आप बताइए कि आप क्या करेंगे अभी?
मैंने भी ये बात नहीं है. मैंने पहले आपको कहा कि मुंबई की म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ने इस ओर ध्यान नहीं दिया, पर जब से
वंदना जी
कह रही है ना कि फरवरी
2015 में भी उन्होंने फडणवीस जी को कंप्लेंट किया, तो फडणवीस जी ने फरवरी 2015 से 2016 के बीच में क्या किया?
तारा सिंह जी, देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने अश्योरेंसेस दिए सिटीजंस को, उस अश्योरेंसेस के हुए क्या अभी तक?
कॉर्पोरेशन में बीजेपी फेलियर रही, फिर भी लोगों ने बीजेपी को चुन के दिया.
मिस्टर सप्रा, इसमें
भरोसा रखा हरिओम नगर के लोगों ने आप पे.
मिस्टर सप्रा, one thing I would like to say also add over here is that one need not be in power to make a difference to the situation. Congress being in opposition can also make a big difference.
पब्लिक ने काम देख के दिया है.
सरदार तारा सिंह जी, आप मुझे ये मत बताइए कि बीएमसी अपना काम नहीं कर रहे. आप बताइए कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? What is the state government doing? Where is the plan?
मैडम जी,
What is the CM's office doing? CMO क्या कर रही है इसके बारे में? That is the answer, because MCGM का आंसर तो हमने सुन लिया काफी आपसे.
There is an order from the High Court in 2012 that this should be shut within 6 months. What do we do with that? And what is the plan?
I'm again and again saying there are 227 councillors. In fact, Mr. Sapra, this is also for you. The Congress councillors can take it up to make sure that every councillor will target 10 or 100 zero waste buildings. We've been discussing that again and again. I've been showing you solutions. I'm sitting at different forums, and every time a new solution from a new entrepreneur keeps coming up.
That's what
and great solutions.
That only.
You have thousands of your cadre is there. Your cadre can fan out across the city. So I don't think being in power is only required. I mean,
that's
you can
a fair
be,
question,
yeah,
Mr. Sapra.
You can be in opposition.
Being in power is not required in order to make a difference.
Make a difference.
Other than just showing up at the dump yard, having a press conference and blaming the government for inaction, what has the Congress party done up till now?
Of course, I agree with probably Mr. Rishi Agarwal has spoken. I'm not having a screen in front of me. I agree with Mr. Rishi Agarwal, who said that our cadre should take over now. Of course, this has been discussed today itself when we were sitting with Rahul Gandhi ji. He said ki why not Congress takes up this issue of segregation to the streets. Let people, there be a awareness in the people that there should be segregation at the ground level also. But the major responsibility is that people will execute their responsibility. But what about the BMC? They collect the segregated waste and they combine it and they throw it again in the dumping ground. We have
Sabra,
nothing till today for treatment of debris.
I would like to just...
Even the debris are being thrown over there.
I would like to correct you, Mr. Sabra.
We are ready. Congress is ready to support every initiative to close the...
No, Mr. Sapra, sorry to interrupt, but there is one fundamental problem in the statement that I keep hearing again and again. The BMC does not mix the wet and dry waste, because the dry waste has a lot of economic value. It goes directly to Raddiwalas, Kabadiwalas and recyclers.
एक मिनट, that does not happen. कुछ समझदारी की बात चल रही है, आप जरा चुप रहें.
Mr. Charan Singh Sapra, I want to give everybody on this panel an option to answer. Rishi Agarwal, go ahead.
Rishi.
No, so Mr. Sapra, I was just making a small distinction that if you encourage waste segregation at source, be rest assured that the dry component of it, which has got high resale value, will end up in the recycling stream. Even the BMC truck will not end up mixing it because your own waste collector, जो सफाई कर्मचारी आपके बिल्डिंग का है, वो आपकी जो प्लास्टिक की बॉटल है, कार्डबोर्ड है, मेटल कैन है, उसको डायरेक्टली रिसाइकलर को भेज देगा. Every day, every week, I'm meeting, like I'm saying again and again, tens and tens of entrepreneurs who are willing to give solutions. Hold workshops with them, take these solutions to each and every building, very cost-effective solutions. Like I've been saying again and again, why add fuel to fire? Today, the fuel which is causing fire at Devnar and Mulund is the garbage which is coming from our homes. If we stop that fuel at source itself, then where is the question of the fire? So that is the big point to ponder over right now.
In fact, if you're watching at home right now and you want to join this conversation, Mr. Sapra, once again, if you're watching at home and you want to join this conversation, our phone lines are at the bottom of your screen. You can also join us on Twitter and vote for a possible solution that the government should be using at this point. Sardar Tara Singh ji, aap bataiye, if you could offer a solution, let's be constructive at this point, if you could offer a solution to the BMC and to the state government, what would that solution be? Has the state government worked on possibilities? क्या state government ऐसी कोई plan को देख रही है या सोच रही है, बातें हो रही है आपकी state government में कि कोई solution निकले इस problem का?
मैडम जी, मैंने आपको कहा कि कॉर्पोरेशन और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने आश्वासन दिया है मुंबई की जनता को कि आने वाले 1-2 महीनों के अंदर हम ये डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद कर देंगे. और ये तो सिर्फ सपरा साहब बोल रहे, तो ये भी तो MLC था, इसकी 15 साल गवर्नमेंट थी, तब क्यों नहीं सोचा? आज दिल्ली से राहुल गांधी साहब आ रहे, क्या वो डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद करके जाएंगे?
डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद करने का एक विषय है तारा सिंह जी, आपका सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट प्लान क्या है वो पूछ रहे हैं. व्हाट इज योर सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट प्लान? गवर्नमेंट क्या चाहती है कि सॉलिड वेस्ट की मैनेजमेंट किस तरह से की जाए वो पूछ रहे हैं. डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद हो रहा है वो अलग बात है.
बीएमसी ने प्लानिंग किया है, जितना कचरा आता है उसको अलग अलग तरीके से. आप आवाज ही नहीं सुनते तो
नहीं, हम सुन रहे हैं. सरदार तारा सिंह जी, हम आपकी आवाज़ सुन रहे हैं, आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है. आप बताइए कि गवर्नमेंट का प्लान क्या है. ये सच है कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, चीफ मिनिस्टर जी ने आश्वासन दी थी, gave a guarantee to the citizens of Mumbai that he will find a solution. Several months have passed. I want to know what that solution is. और अगर आप ये डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद कर रहे हैं तो फिर दूसरा सोल्यूशन क्या है? वो वेस्ट जो अभी डंपिंग ग्राउंड के पास जा रही है वो कहाँ जाएगी? 2-3 महीने बाद आप मुंबई की जो 10,000 टन वेस्ट है वो कहाँ जाएगी?
मैडम जी, उसके लिए बीएमसी प्रयास कर रही है कि 10,000 टन कचरे को किस तरीके से यूज किया जाए. गिल्ला कचरा और सूखे कचरे को अलग करके कोयले के रूप में बना के इलेक्ट्रिक के काम में कैसे आ सकता है, ऐसा प्रयास बीएमसी कर रही है. अब ये लोग तो यहाँ बैठ के सब बातें करते हैं, मगर जब मुख्यमंत्री जी ने आश्वासन दिया कि 1 महीने के अंदर हम इसका रास्ता दिखा देंगे, तो 1 महीना आप विश्वास करिए ना, तब तक हम रास्ता निकाल के बताएंगे.
Rishi Agarwal, are you convinced with that answer?
I mean, एक महीना कब से स्टार्ट होता है तारा सिंह जी? I don't know whether एक महीना 1st of Feb 2016 से शुरू हो जाता है या.
In fact, I have Aditya who's on the phone line from Andheri right now who also has a question as a citizen. Aditya, go ahead. What's your question?
Hi, good evening. Namaskar, Tara Singh ji. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा since this conversation is happening in Hindi or do we continue in English?
You can continue in English if you want. Whatever's comfortable for you, Aditya.
Okay, either of them is fine. I'll continue in English, just in the spirit of the conversation. So, Tara Singh ji, this question is ideally for you, and anybody who is representing you can also answer. So, put that there is a timeline that has been put across, which is 1 month is what I understand from listening to whatever has been spoken so far. So, are we saying that we are going to imply something at a cooperative housing society level where we are going to propose some sewage treatment, etc.? Can government do that? Because if that is the line of thought, possibly there is someone from Ahmedabad who can come up with a very ready-made solution. If that is one, or are we going to change the entire dumping yard from a point A to a point B, and this point B will become somewhere else and outside Bombay? It will get levied as a tax to the citizens of Bombay. If anybody can give clarity, would be great.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
No, I can also react. So I think the idea is not to create new dumping grounds at all. In fact, ideally, we should each of the 24 wards of Mumbai should not be sending any waste outside their boundaries. The whole plan should be that each ward should become self-sufficient in terms of its waste management. And the current BMC budget, which is completely configured towards transport of waste, we are spending 300 to 400 crores every year in tipping fees. That money should be distributed to solid waste management entrepreneurs. And the target clearly should be 24 wards which are completely self-sufficient in their waste management and nothing goes out.
Has this plan... go ahead.
I think there are a lot of other technologies which are available globally, and we need not really go and reinvent the wheel. There are a lot of countries, for instance, Sweden has a fantastic waste management system. They convert waste to power. And now Sweden actually is importing waste so that they can use that for power generation. So there are a lot of technologies and a lot of systems available globally. I'm not sure what has the BMC really studied, whether they've studied some systems and they've done some technology or really adapted some technology.
I want to know this. Now, there are lots of great solutions across the world. In an ideal world, we would have adapted it by now, given the fact that we are we are the largest city in this country, and we should be run with more responsibility. I want to ask you this, Rishi, you've been talking to the BMC, you've been talking to the state government. Is there any sort of political will on the other side to get anything done? Is my question for you.
See, Faye, I think in my conversations, I don't find politicians to be so forthcoming and smart on discussing the solutions. I think there are huge amount of government officials at the rank of, say, the junior most rank also, junior overseers, the engineers. I think what the political establishment needs to do is give them support. And there are a lot of brilliant people in the assistant commissioners level as well. And just support them, and there's no shortage. And in fact, just to respond to what Sandeep said, see, people like us who are in this industry, we know that forget Sweden, forget Germany, there are hundreds and hundreds of very brilliant people within Mumbai itself who can completely respond to this, who have been developing indigenous solutions, keeping the quality and the nature of our waste, keeping the climate in mind. Sweden has a very cold climate, that's why they need energy. We don't have a cold climate.
Okay, Rishi, tell me this. Rishi, give me this one response right now. You've been battling this problem for nearly a decade, right? Now, we know for a fact that Mr. Sardar Tara Singh on the show has said the BMC is a failure. Mr. Charan Singh Sapra on the show has said the BMC is a failure. In your interaction with the BMC, is the BMC commissioner currently a failure? Ajay Mehta, is he a failure? Can he not do his job? That's my question to you.
See, I think Mr. Ajay Mehta's overall response has definitely been very disappointing. I think by now, clearly a big committee could have been formed consisting of citizens, various stakeholders.
There are various solutions, business, none of which have been attempted at this point.
Absolutely.
So, are we concluding on this show that the BMC, led by the Commissioner Ajay Mehta, is a complete failure, Mr. Sapra?
See, what I mean to say, it's not only Ajay Mehta.
He's leading it. He's leading it. It's as good as its leader.
That is 2002. all the commissioners who have all the commissioners who have come from 2002 to 2016, all the commissioners have failed. Why criminal proceedings should not be taken on all these commissioners from 2002 to 2016? They have failed, and the citizens are suffering for it. There should be criminal proceedings against the municipal commissioners otherwise.
All municipal commissioners since 2002 have failed. That's the word coming in from Charan Singh Sapra on live national television, that the BMC and all the commissioners are failures. Sardar Tara Singh, आप भी मानते हैं कि BMC फेलियर है और अभी के BMC के कमिश्नर जो है अजय मेहता वो भी फेलियर है?
ये बात बराबर है कि अजय मेहता हो या कोई भी कमिश्नर हो, पिछले 3, 4, 5 साल से लोग डंपिंग ग्राउंड से दुखी है। तो कॉरपोरेशन का काम था इसका रास्ता निकालने के लिए। अब जब बड़े पैमाने पे सारी मुंबई चिल्लाने लगी तब कमिश्नर को होश आई क्या? अब तो गवर्नमेंट ने, चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने हाथ में ये काम दिया, तब जाके लोगों को थोड़ा भरोसा हुआ कि ये डंपिंग ग्राउंड उठेगा और आगे से नए डंपिंग ग्राउंड मुंबई में नहीं आएंगे। परंतु कॉरपोरेशन ने इस तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया कि 10,000 टन कचरा रोज का आता है, कहाँ डाला जाए, कैसे उसका रास्ता निकाला जाए, एक कॉर्पोरेशन देख नहीं सकी।
तारा सिंह जी, नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड भी मुलुंड में ही आ रहा है।
मुख्यमंत्री को
तारा सिंह जी, नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड भी आपकी सरकार मुलुंड में ही ला रही है, एरोली के बगल में।
नया जो डंपिंग ग्राउंड आ रही है तारा सिंह जी, वो मुलुंड में ही आ रही है।
एरोली रोड बोला जा रहा है उसको, लेकिन वो मुलुंड में ही है,
बगल में ही है। नहीं आ रहा है, गलत बात है। हेलो, ये
ऋषि अग्रवाल, ऋषि अग्रवाल, there is the
मुलुंड में ही आ रहा है।
एक मिनट, I want to take a viewer on the show, and this is a citizen of Mumbai. Neha's on the phone line. Neha, go ahead very quickly. Tell us what you'd like to add to this conversation.
Hello.
We're all listening. Go
Hello.
ahead. Yes.
I am Neha Prakash. Hello.
हाँ Neha,
Hello.
go ahead.
I am Neha Prakash from Mulund Hariom Nagar. This is regarding the same. I wanted to repeat that Tara Singh is telling this is seasonal fire. It is not seasonal fire. It is daily fire. Daily 2:30, 3 o'clock. There are trucks of garbage which are loaded in our Hariom Nagar. Hariom Nagar is situated hardly within 1 kilometer from this dumping ground. And actually, I wanted to point out that from 6:30, 7 o'clock onwards, it is there, fog is there, and बहुत बड़ा स्मोक होता है और we can't breathe, and there are more than 10,000 people living. There are senior citizens, very little children also, and since 2 years I am living, and actually Tara Singh is telling, hello, Tara Singh is telling that this is from 3-4 years. It is not from 3-4 years. It is from 15 to 20 years. BMC is not doing, and why is not taking any responsibility on this? Please do something only to make jalus and all and morchas.
No, this is criminal negligence at the end of the day.
It will not affect. It is hurting us. It is having breathlessness problem, asthmatic problem to every public living in the Hariom Nagar and nearby vicinity. Please.
Tara Singh ji, आपने सुना, this is your citizen from Mulund who's calling and saying that it is not a seasonal fire. It's something that happens every day. रोज होती है Mulund में. She's saying that this is a problem that everybody is suffering from. You have to, as a representative, आप representative हो मुलुंड के, तारा सिंह जी, आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. आप हाथ ऊपर नहीं कर सकते इसके बारे में.
मैडम जी, मैं जरूर करूंगा, पर ये जो मैडम बोल रही है इसको पूछो कि सरदार तारा सिंह पिछले 3 साल से हर प्रकार से रास्ता बंद करता है, कचरे की गाड़ियां बंद करता है। पिछले 3-4 साल से मैं लगा पड़ा हूँ कि डंपिंग ग्राउंड जो है वो हरिओम नगर से बंद किया जाए।
नहीं, 20 साल से टेक्नोलॉजी क्यों नहीं लाए तारा सिंह जी? सवाल वो है, 20 साल से आपने कुछ काम नहीं किया, 3 साल से खाली गाड़ियों को रोकने से कुछ नहीं होगा। आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा तारा सिंह जी कि खाली गाड़ियां रोक के कुछ नहीं होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी लानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे।
आप भी तो एमएलसी थे ना। अगर हमने काम नहीं किया तो, अगर मैंने काम नहीं किया होता तो जनता 20 साल से मेरे को चुनने नहीं चलेंगे। इसलिए आप
तो असेंबली में बहुत से प्रश्न उठाए, लेकिन मुंबई म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन हैज बीन लाइंग ऑलवेज। all the replies
सिर्फ
on the
बातें
floor
करने
of the
से
house,
काम नहीं होता
all the
सरदार
assurance
जी।
which were given
अगर
on the
कुछ
floor of
काम
the house
करते
and
थे
legislative
तो
council
जनता आपका साथ
were all
देती थी,
false,
आपने कुछ नहीं
was
किया।
all false. सब झूठे
इसलिए
रिपोर्ट और
आपने कुछ
झूठे
नहीं किया,
वादे फ्लोर ऑफ द
इसलिए
हाउस में
लोगों ने आपको
लेजिस्लेटिव
उठा के बाहर
काउंसिल
फेंक
में
दिया।
आपकी महानगर पालिका के कमिश्नर ने दिए हैं। इसलिए मैं कहता हूं कि म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर पर एक्शन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पर भी झूठे उत्तर दिए हुए हैं।
Tara Singh ji, this is a case of criminal negligence on behalf
मुद्दा
of the
ये नहीं है,
government in the
मुद्दा ये
state,
है।
on behalf of the government in the BMC, on behalf of the commissioner
नहीं,
who
मैं
doesn't
समझता
care
हूं।
about the health of its citizens. If you're saying you can't do anything about it, will you at least file that
तो ये
claim?
सप्रा को बोलो कि आप जाके केस करो उसके ऊपर। सप्रा, ये कांग्रेस क्या करती है?
Okay, I will file case.
मैडम
If
जी,
Tara Singh doesn't take
ये
this
सप्रा को बोलो फिर आप
responsibility of
जाके
filing the
केस करो।
case, Charan
सिर्फ-
Singh Sapra will take
सिर्फ
the
यहाँ पे
responsibility.
मोर्चे
I will file
निकालने
the
से नहीं
case against
होता
all the
है कि
commissioners.
राहुल गांधी को लाके बता
Yes,
देना।
अरे,
Mr. Tara Singh, I
तारा
will
सिंह
do-
जी,
I will
आप
do
एक
the
बात पे
case.
बोल रहे हैं कि आपने पिछले 5 साल से
Mr.
मोर्चे
तारा सिंह
निकाले
करो।
do the case,
और
I'm
अभी आप
telling
बोल
you.
रहे हैं मोर्चे निकालने से कुछ नहीं होता। आपने अभी अभी बोला कि आपने रास्ता रोका, आपने गाड़ियां रोका, आपने मोर्चे निकाले, और आप अभी बोल रहे हैं कि मोर्चे निकालने से कुछ नहीं होता।
It is
नहीं
utter
नहीं,
failure
मैंने तो
of the
बोला ना,
local
मैं तो इसके लिए
MLA,
पिछले
utter failure
10
of
साल
the
से लड़ रहा हूँ।
local
मैं तो
BJP
आपको
MP,
आप समझने की
failure
कोशिश
of the
करो
BMC
कि यहाँ
ruled
से
by
कच्चा
BJP,
हरिओम नगर से
Shiv
बंद हो। पिछले
and they
10
are
साल
not
से मैं
able
ये
to do
प्रयास
anything.
करता हूँ।
Even after their own prime minister is giving the slogan of Swachh Bharat. तारा सिंह जी, स्वच्छ भारत के स्लोगन आपके प्रधानमंत्री दे रहे, कम से कम मुलुंड को तो स्वच्छ कर लीजिए।
Sir, I have 3,500 people whom I have confirmed that will be giving
आप
apartments to them.
नींद में
What do I do?
रहो।
What do I tell them?
आप
I mean,
देखो
if I
जाके,
would get
पहले से
enlightened, I
ज़्यादा
will be really
स्वच्छ हो
happy
गया है।
because
आप तो सिर्फ
unfortunately we do
आप
not know
तो
what to
सिर्फ
tell these
डंडे लेके
people.
फिर रहे रास्ते पे।
You know, this is really, really disappointing. As a citizen of the city of Mumbai, we do not have a government that will be accountable for our health. We do not have a government that will make itself accountable for the health of our children, for the health of our senior citizens. Remember, you cannot protect yourself from poisonous air, and it's poisonous air that we are breathing across the city. If you think that this is a problem as limited to Mulund or limited to Deonar, it is not. The quality of air in the city of Mumbai is terrible. In Worli, in BKC, in Lower Parel, in South Mumbai, this is air that we're breathing across the city, and these are our elected representatives who are not willing to take any sort of responsibility, who are blaming it completely on the BMC, who are blaming it completely on each other, passing the buck. It's disappointing. Sandeep Ahuja, what will you tell the people who you've built homes for in Mulund, who
Blaming
now no
on the
longer want to live
nature.
there?
See, there was a
Blaming
time
on
when
the
around
seasonal
2011-12, the dumping was stalled for a very short time, and that is when we thought that this is the time when dumping will stop, because that's something which was to happen. And we have been committing our customers, our people who have been staying there. We have redeveloped some houses for them, and now we have constructed the houses in the last 4.5 years and already handed over to them. And they're asking us the same question. The answer, the commitment which we gave to them, and that was based on the commitments which we were made by BMC, that the dumping will stop or there will be some scientific closure to the whole dumping yard. Unfortunately, we are falling flat on our promises. So we do not know what to tell them and how to really we convince them that your children have to breathe this air for a very long time.
At all in the government, I think.
So
There
whom do
is
we
no,
believe
there is
in?
no sanctity. We've received words of assurances from the Commissioner, Mr. Ajay Mehta. Nothing has come from those words. We've received words of assurances from the Chief Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. Absolutely nothing has come out of that as well. I want to know whose word we can take right now at face value. Sardar Tara Singh ji, हम किसके आश्वासन को ले ले अभी? और कौन बचा है आपके गवर्नमेंट में जो गारंटी दे सकते हैं?
जो बोल रही है, आप ये मुख्यमंत्री की वजह से मेहनत हो रही है और डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद करने का काम सिर्फ मुख्यमंत्री साहब ही करके बताएंगे। ये सिर्फ बातें करने से काम नहीं होता है, समझे ना?
तारा सिंह जी, जो दूसरा डंपिंग ग्राउंड मुलुंड में खुलने वाला है, उसके बारे में भी तो कहिए ना। जो नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड आप मुलुंड में ही खोल रहे हैं।
ये कि डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद
आपने
करके
ऑलरेडी
बताने
जगह
का
दे दी है नए डंपिंग ग्राउंड के लिए। देवेंद्र फडणवीस की सरकार ने एक नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड खोलने के लिए मुलुंड में ही जगह दी है। उसको खाली कहते हैं एरोली रोड नहीं है, उसका एड्रेस मुलुंड है।
आप बुलेखे में आप गलत बोलते हैं।
ऋषि अग्रवाल,
जो जानकारी मिली अब तक तारा सिंह जी वो मुलुंड में ही है।
ऐरोली
जो
रोड
ऐरोली
में
ब्रिज है
तीसरा डंपिंग
उसका
ग्राउंड आ रही
मुलुंड के
है।
साइड पे जो सॉल्ट पैन लैंड है उसमें ये जगह दी गई है।
तारा सिंह जी, ऐरोली रोड और मुलुंड में नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड आ रही है, वो जो फिर से आपको अगले 5 साल में आप इसी शो पे वही बात फिर से बोलने वाले।
ये प्ले ऑफ वर्ड्स है, उसको ऐरोली रोड बोल दिया, बट अदरवाइज इट इज इन मुलुंड ओनली।
डंपिंग ग्राउंड वहां पे नहीं आएगा।
Aditya is back on the phone line with another suggestion for us. Aditya, go ahead. What would you like
That
to say?
plot is in Mulund only, Tara Singh.
Aditya.
तारा सिंह जी नमस्कार। तारा सिंह जी, मुझे
आप बुलेखे में वो पहले बात हवा में बात आई थी।
तारा सिंह जी, एक मिनट, आप सिटीजन की बात सुनिए। तारा सिंह जी, तारा सिंह जी, आप एक मिनट।
मुंबई में कहीं भी नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड नहीं आएगा।
तारा सिंह जी, आप एक मिनट मुझे सिटीजन की बात सुनिए। गो अहेड आदित्य, बताइए आपको क्या कहना है।
तारा सिंह जी नमस्कार। ये तो खैर मेरे ख्याल से नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे इस माध्यम के जरिए तो साबित हो गया है कि बीएमसी शायद लास्ट 12-14 साल से कुछ कर नहीं पाई है, बट क्योंकि सरकार आप लोगों के साथ है, ये तो साबित हो गया है इस माध्यम के द्वारा, मैजिक ब्रिक्स का नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म के द्वारा, कि बीएमसी लास्ट 12-14 साल के अंदर कुछ सिग्निफिकेंटली कर नहीं पाई है। तो मेरे ख्याल से अभी आप लोगों ने शायद अग्री किया है 5-7 मिनट पहले ही, राइट? तो मेरा आपसे प्रश्न ये है तारा सिंह जी कि सरकार तो आपके साथ ही है और आप चाहें तो शायद कुछ सोल्यूशन निकल जाएगा। तो मुझे आपसे पूछनी है कि अगर सरकार इस चीज को अगर इंडिपेंडेंटली नहीं ले पा रही है, तो क्या आप पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के माध्यम के द्वारा क्या इसका कोई सोल्यूशन आप निकालना चाहेंगे? बिकॉज यू हैव टू, आपको कोई एक मॉडल निकालना होगा जहाँ पे देयर कैन बी ए कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन द गवर्नमेंट।
15 साल
बोलिए तारा सिंह जी, आप क्या, अगर आप सरकार की बस की बात नहीं है ये,
देखिए 15
तो
साल
प्राइवेट वाले कुछ कर सकते हैं?
गवर्नमेंट थी, उसने कुछ किया नहीं।
तारा सिंह, नई योजना की बात बताओ, पुराना छोड़ दो 15 साल, नया अभी आगे से क्या करोगे, कल से क्या करेंगे वो पूछ रहे हैं।
सरदार तारा सिंह जी, बात बड़ी सिंपल है जो आदित्य बोल रहे हैं कि ऑब्वियसली ये जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सरकार की बस की बात नहीं है, ना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट संभाल पा रही है, ना लोकल गवर्नमेंट बीएमसी संभाल पा रही है। क्या प्राइवेट कंपनीज इसकी सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं अभी? क्या आप लोग मान सकते हो कि आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अभी, तो किसी और से हेल्प ले लीजिए?
Around the world, private parties are playing a role. Government's role is to provide governance. So neither is the government able to provide governance, neither is it able to provide a business solution.
गवर्नमेंट और म्युनिसिपैलिटी इस काम में लगी हुई है, तो आने वाले दिनों में डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद करके बताएंगे। ये सिर्फ बोलने से बात नहीं होता। कॉर्पोरेशन और
हम मानते हैं तारा सिंह जी कि बोलने से बात नहीं होता, हम मानते हैं कि बोलने से बात नहीं होता, तो आप वही तो प्रॉब्लम है कि आप लोग बोलते बहुत है लेकिन काम कुछ होता नहीं है।
सन 2000 में बंद हो जाना चाहिए था और मुलुंड वाला 2006 में बंद होना चाहिए था। वो तो आप अभी बंद करोगे, कोई एहसान नहीं कर रहे हो। ये मुलुंड वाला 2006 में बंद होना चाहिए था। सवाल ये है कि नए डंपिंग ग्राउंड क्यों खोल रहे हो?
Well, it's obvious, of course, that the word of the government is
आपने सिर्फ
actually...
बातें करनी है, आपने काम थोड़े करना है। वो हमने जो बोला वो हम करके बताएंगे, समझे?
कब तक करके बताएंगे सरदार तारा सिंह जी? ठीक है, मान लिया, आप बताइए कब तक कर पाएंगे, डेडलाइन बता दीजिए मुझे, कब तक हो जाएगी?
जानना चाह रहा है कि आपके पास पॉलिसी क्या है, योजना क्या है?
सरदार तारा सिंह जी, आप बोल रहे हो
किस तरह से करोगे, क्या टेक्नोलॉजी लाओगे कि कचरे की ट्रीटमेंट होगी?
सरदार तारा सिंह जी, आप बता रहे हो कि आप डंपयार्ड बंद करवा देंगे, आप बताइए कि डेडलाइन क्या है, कब तक हो पाएगी? आप मुझे गारंटी दे दीजिए कि डेट क्या है ये बंद करवाने।
पहली बात तो ये, मैडम जी, पहली बात तो ये है कि ये जो बोलते हैं कि मुलुंड में नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड आने वाला है, ये सब फजूल बातें हैं। कोई अरोली के पास डंपिंग ग्राउंड आने वाला नहीं है। यहाँ तक कि पूरी मुंबई में अभी नया डंपिंग ग्राउंड नहीं आएगा, परंतु ये जो कचरा आता है,
तारा सिंह जी, सारी अखबारों में अनाउंस हो गया, इट हैज बीन अनाउंस्ड, 2 places have been announced, Taloja and Airoli. It is Airoli road they are saying, but it is not Airoli, it is
आप मुझे ये बताइए, सापरा जी एक मिनट, तारा सिंह जी आप मुझे ये बताइए कि कब तक डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद होने वाली है? आप मुझे अभी इस शो पे गारंटी दे दीजिए कि कब तक डंपिंग ग्राउंड बंद होने वाली है? मुझे डेट दे दीजिए, गारंटी दे दीजिए अपनी सिटीजन्स को।
मैं आपको ये विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि आने वाले 2-3 महीनों में ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये सॉल्व करेगी भारतीय जनता पार्टी, सॉल्व करके बताएगी और मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र जी ही इसका रास्ता निकालेंगे।
और ये
ठीक है, आपने 2 महीने बोला, so by the 15th of June, जून की 15 तारीख तक,
और ये बंद करके बताएगी।
Scientific closure or it is just going to be a closure?
मिस्टर तारा सिंह, जून 15 तक मुलुंड और देवनार दोनों डंपिंग ग्राउंड्स बंद किए जाएंगे। क्या आप मुझे ये गारंटी दे पाएंगे?
No, but whether this is
मैं
going
आपको
to be a
विश्वास
scientific
दिलाता हूं
closure
कि
or
ये
just
बंद
a
हो जाएगा।
closure, ask him.
आप जनता को
What
बताइए
policy government is going to apply?
All right, I want to quickly take a look at this as well. The solution that is being offered to us right now by the BJP government is a shutdown of the dump yard. We've not received any clarification on what will happen to the garbage after that dump yard is shut down and if the dump yard will in fact be shut down. What we are going to do is take a look at our Twitter poll. Hashtag Mumbai chokes. What is the solution for the garbage crisis in the city of Mumbai? 1, a new dump yard. 2, a waste to energy plant or a scientific solution to managing the waste. And 3, segregation of waste at home. Most of the citizens who voted today wanted a waste to energy plant or a scientific solution for the problem. 30% have volunteered to segregate their waste at home. This is a massive, massive problem. There's no doubt about the fact that as citizens, we cannot shirk the responsibility. We are going to have to begin segregating our own waste. We are going to have to begin taking responsibility for waste in societies and as groups of people.
But the BMC should also collect the only segregated waste. They should not mix it.
But there seems to be a complete lack of responsibility from our government at this point. Sardar Tara Singh has given us assurance that by the 15th of June, dump yards in Mumbai will be closed. We don't have an assurance right now of where that garbage will go. That's something we're keeping a close eye on. Maximum mess in the maximum city. The city of Mumbai continues to suffer. Remember, we have no new permissions for any new buildings in the city of Mumbai because the High Court stopped the BMC from handing out permissions because they didn't have a solution for the garbage crisis. So while we don't have enough homes to live in, we can't build anymore.
No, but they
that
are
is the
giving
massive problem.
and
there are no solutions anywhere. Simply passing the buck between the Congress party and the BJP. We've run out of time on this show, but this is a problem that we're going to keep a very close eye on and we will try and find solutions. As a citizen, if you want to offer us solutions, email IDs are going to flash on your screen, on Twitter, on Facebook. Get in touch, offer solutions, make groups within your neighborhood, find people who will help, and we will, on this channel, I give you an assurance, force this government to listen to us, to take up these solutions, and we will make Mumbai smoke free. That's a challenge that we are taking up on Magic Bricks Now on the Urban Debate. I want to thank all of our panelists for joining with us, and I want to thank you for watching. The battle continues.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.